Hello, everyone. Welcome to this slow English video. Today, I will talk about how I spend my weekends, and you will practice English with me. My weekends start on Saturday morning. And honestly, I love Saturdays. On Saturdays, I like to wake up a little later than usual. When I wake up, I like to stretch my body. That helps me relax and feel comfortable. Then I do my hair because I usually sleep with a braid. I sleep with a braid because I heard it is very good for your hair because your hair doesn't get tangled with the pillow. The word tangled means that your hair doesn't get messy and twisted. After I do my hair, I brush my teeth and I wash my face. I like to do these things before my breakfast because this makes me feel fresh and clean. Then I cook my breakfast. Sometimes I make eggs, sometimes I make oatmeal. It depends. After breakfast, I like to relax, chill out for a while, for 10 or 15 minutes. And honestly, the reason I love Saturdays is because I am not in a hurry. So I can take my time and organize my schedule for the day. What about you? What time do you wake up on weekends, especially on Saturdays? Do you wake up early or later than usual? After breakfast, I take a time to plan my day. So I like to think, okay, what do I want to do first? Or what is important for today? Planning is so important for me because it makes me feel calm and organized. So I almost always write a small list, a to-do list on my computer. What about you? Do you plan your weekend or your days? Or do you go with the flow? Do you like to write a to-do list on a notebook, on your computer, or just think and keep everything on your head? On Saturdays, I usually do small tasks. I run errands. When I say errands, I mean small tasks you need to do outside your home, like buying the groceries, sending a package, paying the bills, going to the bank, and many other things. So on Saturdays, I usually run errands. I buy some fruit, vegetables, cleaning products, and things I need for the week. What about you? Do you prefer to run errands on Saturdays, Sundays, or during the week? After my errands, I like to relax, especially because Saturdays are my relaxing days. So sometimes I watch movies or series. Sometimes I go for a walk around the neighborhood. I personally like walking because it helps me clear my mind. When I say clear my mind, I mean that walking helps me stop thinking about stress or work. I love doing these activities because after a busy week, it feels so good to slow down. What about you? What do you like doing on weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays? Sometimes on Saturday morning, I like to go out and eat something delicious. Maybe ice cream, or I sometimes go to a mall and eat something from my favorite bakery. I don't eat fast food very often, but from time to time I crave pizza or burger. When I say the word crave, I mean that I have a strong desire for something. So, what about you? What do you crave sometimes? Chocolate, ice cream, burger. Talking about Sundays, they are very different for me. On Sundays, I like to prepare for the next week. So, first thing is cleaning my apartment. I do the laundry, I clean the house, clean the kitchen, fold clothes, and organize my things. Later, when I finish with all of the housework, I start working on my content because on Sundays I like to prepare all the videos for the week ahead. And if I have time, I like to edit at least one of all the videos I record. What about you? Do you also like to prepare for the week ahead on Sundays? Or do you like to rest all day long on Sundays? Later, when I finish editing my videos, I like to take some time for myself and stretch or watch something, a movie, series, read something, or just rest. I like Sundays because they help me reset my mind They help me start a new week feeling prepared and calm. So tell me, what do you like doing on weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays? Do you relax like me, or do you prefer something more active? Do you run errands on Saturday or on Sunday? Do you crave any specific food on weekends? Write your answer in the comments below. I love to read what you like to do. Thank you for learning English with me today. I hope this video helps you improve your listening and learn useful everyday English. Bye.